Hey, thank you for joining me at 5 Minute Mechanic. We're going to try and attempt to reinstall all these parts and pray that I can remember where they all went or why. So we got this muffler. It's got to line up with both of those. If you remember, our bolts were completely stripped out. We should put it on the right direction. So, I bought these 5/16 stainless, and I'm hoping they work. I tapped them, and that apparently took a little too much material out. So we're going to see how that works. Two of them were loose, one of them still was kind of tight. So, they have a very poor result here, I don't know. Have ourselves a nice loose muffler. Yeah, that's not gonna work good. I don't know. Those might have to get changed again later. We'll see. Have to tighten back up those bolts. I don't remember what we used to get those on or off. They're guessing 12 or 13. You're in fireworks, but I don't know why. Let's see if I can go find the correct wrench. See if this is a 12. It is not. Okay. Also not a 13. Oh, that was a 12. There we go. I don't know if that stubby is going to get in there. I can't find a longer one. Be better if I was tightening it instead of loosening it. Just in that tiny little space. Okay, this side. these being kind of a pain to get out of here. I have no idea where this plate goes. Remember, this isn't so much of a DIY good tutorial. This is a DIY what I had to get done somehow. So try and get this thing finished up. Like normal, I'm missing parts everywhere. Can't find tools. Don't know where anything's at. I'm missing the whole assembly for this. Well, the assembly, the washer and the E-clip and the dust cap for this side. No idea where they're at. What is in the way there? Okay. That got me something. There we go. And having these stubbies wrenches made that a little bit harder than I wanted it to be. Okay, those are back in. Okay, so we got the muffler back in. The upper manifold bolts and the muffler installed, and that's probably where we're going to end it for today's video. Remember, it's 5 minutes a day. You can eventually get some of these projects done. Thanks for joining me at 5 Minute Mechanic.